Welcome to Video Creator Collabs. In today's video, I will show you how to use YouTube Premiere. By the end of that video, you should be able to schedule your own premiere. YouTube Premiere is a feature that lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together, much like a movie or a TV show. Premiering your video allows you to schedule your upload video with a shareable watch page. It can only be done on a desktop computer. However, viewers will be able to watch your video with any kind of device they have. To start, you need to click on Upload at the top of the page. Select Scheduled in the drop down. You can also select Public, but if you select Public, the premiere will start immediately after the video is done uploading. And if you choose Unlisted, your video will not be able to go premiere. Now select the video you'd like to upload from your computer. On the next page, select the time and date of your premiere right here. Right here, select Premiere. When the video is done processing, click Premiere in the top right hand corner. Before you do that, you have to make sure that you title your video, you add a description to your video. Let me put test. And here you also have to tag your video. After you add your title, you add your description, and you add your tags, now you can click on Premiere in the top right hand corner. Before the premiere starts, a public watch page is created. The video will eventually premiere on this watch page. 30 minutes before the start of the premiere, your viewers will receive a notification. And a second notification is sent at the start, letting viewers know the premiere is starting. You and your audience can interact in the comment. The live chat. And if you have your super chat enabled, you will be able to use it also. It's also good to encourage your viewers to set a reminder for your premiere. When the premiere starts, a countdown will appear during the first 2 minutes of the premiere. With the current viewers count, you can see the number of viewers watching. When the premiere is over, the video will remain on your channel as a regular upload. Chat play will be available for viewers who want to experience the premiere after it's over. You can even disable the chat at any time you want. And don't forget to share the watch page URL to any social media of your choice. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you have anything you need to know about YouTube Premiere. Please don't forget to subscribe.